Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Don Amart Showground here in Hilton, Derby. My name's Tom and I'm very excited today to show you around this brand new 2023 model Bailey Adamo 75-4Dl. So it's on a Ford chassis, 2 litre, 160 brake horsepower engine, and what I'm going to be doing today, I'm just going to be showing you around it and all the bits and features. Okay, so we go around, you see it's in this lovely nice silver cab colour. Goes really well with the decals and the habitation side of things. So we go down, we've got nice alloy wheels just down here. If we move down this side, we've got your fridge vents just on this side. Toilet cassette is on this side as well. Water fill, so you've got a few options to fill up your water, but it's nice and secure to fill up your fresh water tank just in this little bit here. Garage space is nice, so you can access it from both sides. So if we just unlock this real quick, nice and secure, so you can undo them. So you got access from this side, and if you're trying to fit something in which is a little bit bigger to fit in this side, you've got a bigger door on the other side as well. But a real nice garage space. You've got some straps and stuff so you can clip stuff down so it's not going to be wobbling about whilst you're driving. Moving around, you've got your helping hand at the top, so that's your reversing camera, just to help you reverse the vehicle in them tight spaces. Fiamma bike rack fitments are just there, so that just means you've got the option if you did want to get a bike rack when you go on your holidays. Like I say, this side, look, you've got an even bigger garage door just here, so it's the exact same bit, garage space just in there, all the clips and stuff as well. This is also storage accessible from the inside, so you can access it from the interior and the exterior. TV aerial is up there as well, so it does come with the TV aerial. It's got a solar panel as well, so perfect for wild camping when you're off grid. Same goes with your gas locker, so you can fit 2 6-kilogram gas bottles in there. So again, perfect for off grid. If you're not plugged in, you can still use all your appliances. And finally, you just have your 240 mains lead connection straight in there. If it is getting dark at night, just above your door you have got your external awning light, so you can sit outside and still have a little bit of light. But if we go inside after you, Wendy. Perfect, so we'll jump down to the cab first. So it's manual, 6-speed manual. You can see as well we've got the captain seats which spin round. You have cruise control, all your steering wheel controls just here, so you can connect your phone and control it all from there, hands-free. Obviously indicator and wipers. You've got traction control. You've got a few different modes, so you've got like eco, normal mode, heated windscreen, so perfect. You don't need to go out and scrape if you are going in the cold weather and it freezes up. You can just hit the heated windscreen, it'll demist and de-ice all your windscreen for you. 12 volt and USB is all scattered around as well. Obviously your radio's there. Nice little cup holder and loads of little storage compartments for your glove box and stuff around there, and then a nice big screen for your reversing camera. So this is a 4-berth and it does travel 4, so you've got 2 seats here, and you also do have your travelling seats just hidden underneath all these cushions. So there's one of them, look. So that is the back. So take these cushions off and it's a case of lifting that travel seat up and using one of these nice comfy big ones for the bottom of the travelling seat. So nice and comfy, travelling in comfort. So like I say, it's a 4-berth as well. So you've got the 2 drop down beds just up above me. So if we flick that to the front, and then you've got the little control panel just down here. So if you hold it down, it goes down. Like so. So there's one bed, and you've got the exact same at the rear as well. But you can purchase bed kits for the 75-4Dl, so you can even make it into a 6-berth or even an 8-berth if you did want more sleeping in the van. But like I say, at the minute it's just a 4-berth with the 2 drop down beds. I'll get that straight up. So as you can tell, we're not plugged in and it's working off 12 volt. So even if you are wild camping, you can still get your beds up and down. Your table is also done electronically, so that goes up and down by the flick of a switch. So there's down and there's up. and it also does transfer into a larger table, so that lifts up and over. Absolutely. Flicks over, easy as that. You've got your 3-way fridge just here, so it runs off mains electric, it will run off your vehicle battery while you're driving, and again gas, so you can use everything pretty much off grid. Loads of storage around the van as well, which is nice. Kitchen, real nice spaces with your kitchen. You've got extra workspace on top of your 3-burner gas hob, and your hot plate, you've got a separate oven and grill down there as well, and then more storage just all at the top, just up there. Truma heating in the Adamo as well, just there, so you've got the blowing air, nice Truma heating. And then I'll flick that over while I'll show you the bed in a second. Nice space washroom, so shower in there as well, obviously toilet, nice modern looking sink and toilet just there. And then we'll jump to the back. So like I say, you've got the other drop down bed, up and down, it's the exact same control panel, so press down, it goes down, just like the other one, and then up again, goes up. Again, we're not plugged in, both work off 12 volt, just there. Wait for it to hit the roof, and then you can let go. Okay, nice size seating area at the back as well, just here, and then you've got all the wardrobe space almost in the back corners, just in there. And then this side is the bit which I showed you on the outside, look, so you can access it from the interior or the exterior. And even more storage up the top here, just in there. And also underneath the sofas, just there, look, loads of storage space. Wonderful. So it's a really, really nice van. Perfect for the family of 4. It will be going on our showground in the next 5 minutes. So if you have enjoyed it, if you want to come and view it, my name's Tom. I'll be happy to help to show you around this lovely Adamo.